Hello, let me see your transcripts and all of the individual people who come to this channel to view your channel. First of all, let me see your transcripts. Thank you so much for the opportunity to share with your viewers and the people who support your channel how I assist individuals in building their YouTube channels and building their Google check. When a lot of people first encounter me, the first thing that they're shocked by is the fact that my two channels are not yet monetized, or one of my channels isn't monetized yet. This Mad Church Disease channel is less than 2 months old. It has about 591 subscribers on it. It's a brand new channel. It's less than 2 months old, and it's already almost at 600 subscribers. And I kind of, on some of my other pages teach people how to do certain things on YouTube. But for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to show your subscribers and the people who support you that I do have the ability to help people to rank their videos. And I want to point out one in particular video, and I'll talk about other videos later. But in this particular video, since this one's brand new, about a week ago, I did a review of the Clark Sisters Lifetime movie that was done on the Lifetime Network. And you can see that thumbnail here. Well, I only have about almost 2,800 views, so it's about a week ago that this video was made. And I want to show you how fast I was able to rank this particular video. This is a piece of proprietary software, that I have that helps me assist my clients in sort of spying on their competition and knowing how to rank their particular videos and to see how their videos actually score based on other people's videos. Now, this is going to give you a 1 through 50 of the highest ranked videos in the United States as it relates to the Clark Sisters movie review. Excuse me. And according to my software, my number and my position is 8 for the keyword, the Clark Sisters movie review in the United States. So in the entire United States, I am ranked number 8 for this video. I do not have 1,000 subscribers. I do not have thousands of views on the video, but I'm number 8 in the country. And let me tell you why that is. I have ways of ranking videos that is perfectly legal, that I teach all of my clients and students on how to rank videos to help increase their subscriber base and to build their platforms. The first video in this Clark Sisters review is Kev on Stage. Kev on Stage is very popular, very, very popular. You've got Bondi Blue, some of these people I don't even know, EJ Speaks, Miss TV, Candace Corner, and so forth and so on. But if you look here in number 8, the Clark Sisters review, I am number 8, Mad Church Disease, in the entire United States. So that's huge for me, and teaching how to rank and teaching people how to actually do this. And just for the sake of having a little bit of a giggle here, there's a very popular vlogger who is all over the internet, and he has thousands of followers, but I am number 8 and he is number 15. Very interesting. He has a very popular show on the internet, and he is ranked number 15, although I'm ranked number 8. So it just kind of shows you a little bit about the fact that I do know how to rank my videos, and I do know how to get traffic to my channel. Just thought I would share that with your viewers. Let me see your transcript. So if anybody wants to reach out to me for my services and receive an education on how they can rank their videos, because what you lack in skill, you can make up for in numbers, and I'll show you how to do it. Reach out as soon as you can.